To measure for your new SecOnline door, you will need a good quality tape measure and a pen and paper to record your measurements. When measuring your door, always be on the outside looking in. To measure the height, hook your tape over the top of either side of your door and pull to the bottom. Enter your height measurement in the field provided. To measure the width, measure from the edge of the left to the edge of the right of your existing door. Enter your width measurement in the field provided. To measure your lock height, first determine whether you want your new lock above the existing solid door lock or below the existing solid door lock. If you require your lock above, measure from the bottom track to the top of the existing lock and add 125 millimeters. If you require your lock below,